Let's unpack a new word today. Right here on Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is collaborative. Can you say it out loud? Collaborative. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? C-O-L-L-A-B-O-R-A-T-I-V-E. That spells C-O-L-L-A-B-O-R-A-T-I-V-E. Great job. Collaborative means working together to achieve a common goal. Let's break that down. It's all about understanding what that really means in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as collaborative. Say it with me. Cooperative. United. Team-based. Shared. Mutual. Joint. Collective. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more meaning to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of collaborative. Uncooperative. Solitary. Competitive. Divided. Independent. Solo. Selfish. Let's pause here and review the antonyms, so you know what collaborative is not. Here's a great example. Sofia joined a collaborative group project to build a science model. Let's review. Collaborative means working together to achieve a common goal. Synonyms. Cooperative. United. Team-based. Shared. Mutual. Joint. Collective. Antonyms. Uncooperative. Solitary. Competitive. Divided. Independent. Solo. Selfish. Keep using the word collaborative and make it part of your everyday talk. Your challenge: make up a dance move for each letter in the word collaborative. Final thought: words like collaborative help you express big ideas, and you're doing amazing. You're doing incredible things, and another word is coming your way tomorrow.